Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Arecovas bathroom exhaust fan with light. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 110 cfm airflow. Experience superior ventilation with a high-performance 110 cfm airflow. This bath exhaust fan effectively reduces humidity in bathrooms and ensures you stay cozy while showering, bathing, makeup, skin care, shaving and more. RGB lighting. Personalize your bathroom ambience with 4 stunning color options: blue, purple, red, and green. You can also choose the automatic cycle RGB mode to enjoy the colorful lighting experience. Lamp panel diameter 11.61 inch, illumination 1200 lumens. 3 CCT lighting with 5 brightness levels. Adjust the lighting to your preference with 3 color temperatures: cool, neutral, warm, and 5 adjustable brightness levels. Whether you're applying makeup, soaking in the bath, taking a shower, or reading, it delivers perfect lighting tailored to every scenario. Supports light memory, no need to set it repeatedly. Energy efficient night light mode. 2700K soft warm light, energy consumption as low as 5 watt, prevents slipping at night, get up at night to ensure safety. Both meet the lighting requirements and do not stimulate the vision. Applicable area. Apartment, floor height is about 8 feet, applicable area is 103 to 154 square feet. Single family house, floor height is about 9.2 feet, applicable area is 90 to 135 square feet, the effect of use may vary slightly depending on the actual house height. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.